Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Padlock Spp'd and welcome to Stock Lock Sunday. And as you see in front of us, I have a brass body Wilson Bohannan, and that's the billing. It's a 5-pinner. That is the keyway. There's a little special about this. This comes to us, or to me, from Our Lady of Mount Carmel. It's a church in Ohio, and actually this one was gifted to me by Big Willie the locksmith, and he had several of these because that church had beefed up their security, and they went with other padlocks. And so I'll show you. It works clockwise and counterclockwise, and you can see it can easily be shimmed. And on here it says 84, and on the keys it says 84. And as you can see, it says Marion, Ohio. Now that's not why I say this is from Ohio. When I first got this, I think about 2 years ago, I did some research and looked it up, and lo and behold, it's from Ohio. Alright, so I'm going to go with bottom of the keyway. Tension. This one. Yeah. Excuse me. And I'm going to use Peterson gem. And this lock doesn't really give much feedback at all. It'll open up and that's it. Okay, get some light here. Okay, can't see it. Okay, there we go. All right, let's go. There you go. Very easy to pick for Wilson. And especially, the keyway and the bitting. But it is what it is. It's a fun little lock. This is my first time in 2 years that I put a pick in it. I picked it, I believe, out of package. Come on, out of the box when I first got it, and I put it up in my collection with the other locks. But anyway, there you have it, guys and gals. Thank you for joining me in this adventure, and be safe, be legal. As always, stay calm and pick on. Enjoy your Sunday, guys. Bye-bye.